Hello students, today we are going to learn the poem Don't Give Up. So let's begin with the first stanza. Tell us about: if you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. So as it is given in the first stanza, I'll repeat again. If you have tried and have not won. Tried means we should keep on trying. We should take efforts again and again. And even though if we have not won, even though we are not achieving our success, never stop for crying. We should not immediately start crying, or we should not stop taking efforts over it. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. So everything that is gonna be happen again, which is the best, which is the good, that has to be done, it always needs a continuous and steady efforts. That means just by patient trying. Patient means we should be calm and we should continuously take efforts over it. We should keep trying to get success in the future. By keeping the same point of view in our mind, the second and the next stanza give us the example to explain the same point. That is, though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. That it means we should not be discouraged or disappointed by getting failure. And this is the best example which gives us the idea regarding the same. Though young birds in flying fall, the young ones of a bird, when they starts flying, when they take a first step after their nest, they tries to fly, but they falls. Still their wings grew stronger, but they do not get afraid of falling down. They keep flying in the sky, and one day their wings grew stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer, and the day comes when they flies up and up in the sky. In third stanza, poet want to encourage us by giving example of the oak tree. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Though the sturdy oak, sturdy means which is known for its physical strength, and which is the specialty of the oak tree. So, though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, the wind comes, storm comes, and they tries to bow the oak tree. They tries to bend, they tries to make the oak tree fallen down. She has risen again and grown, but it never happens. It always rises again, and it grows loftier and prouder. Loftier means with dignity, with own value. It always rises again and stands firmly and proudly with own feature. In the last stanza, poet tell us that if by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you. Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. See students, if by doing a simple work, by easy work, you are getting afraid of falling down or you are getting afraid of failure, then who the more will prize you? Nobody is going to judge your efforts. Nobody is going to appreciate your efforts or your failure. But gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. But if you're continuously taking efforts and one day when you get success, then definitely that success will lead you for your further process, for your further progress.